We get our energy from the foods we eat, and that affects the overall performance of our brains. By paying close attention to your diet, you can control the function of your brain and ultimately your mood. Your brain functions best when you maintain a nutritious and balanced diet. Antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals nourish the brain and protect it from oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells. Processed and refined foods aren't the best choice for your brain or your body. Because they're low in fiber, they digest quickly and cause swings in blood sugar levels. Fluctuating blood sugar can be harmful to your overall brain health, and that can really affect your mood. Our bodies produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate sleep, appetite, and mood. 95% of serotonin is produced in our gastrointestinal tract, which is lined with millions of nerve cells. Our digestive systems don't just help us digest food, but also guide our emotions. Those nerve cells and the production of serotonin is highly influenced by the good bacteria in your intestines. The bacteria protects the lining of your intestines and provides a strong barrier against toxins and bad bacteria. They also limit inflammation, improve your absorption of nutrients, and activate neural pathways between your gut and your brain. Studies have compared diets like the Mediterranean diet and the traditional Japanese diet to a typical Western diet. The research shows that the risk of depression is 25 to 35% lower in those who eat a traditional Japanese or Mediterranean diet. Scientists account for this difference because these traditional diets tend to be high in fruits, vegetables, unprocessed grains, and fish. They only contain modest amounts of lean meats and dairy. The Mediterranean and Japanese diets are also free from processed foods and refined sugars, which are staples of Western dietary patterns. In addition, a lot of the unprocessed foods are fermented, acting as natural probiotics. Probiotics, which contain good bacteria, can actually lower your anxiety or stress level and improve your mental outlook. The good bacteria in fermented foods influence how you digest food and absorb nutrients. They can even lower the level of inflammation throughout our bodies, leading to improved mood and energy levels. Your JOYkwondo exercise today? Eat a healthy meal. Eating healthy is not just for losing weight or maintaining your beach bod. It does wonders for your mental health as well. Choose a meal that has plenty of colorful vegetables and lots of protein. It's important that you eat a meal that you actually enjoy, not something that feels like a torturous crash diet. It's also important that you don't pile the food onto your plate and stuff yourself into a food coma. You don't need as much food as restaurants lead you to believe. Eat just enough to satisfy your appetite, and then celebrate yourself for taking ownership of your health and treating your body and brain to the nutrients they crave so deeply. Need a little more motivation for this exercise? There are a lot of documentaries out there that go into great detail about the importance of eating healthy and the miraculous effects that come as a result. I highly recommend reading the book or watching the documentary called In Defense of Food, An Eater's Manifesto by Michael Pollan.